how can you make a new focus mode on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. And if you are new here on this Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the focus modes, when you go to the control center and you tap on it, you can see a couple of them which are ready and you can use them. The default options include like the driving mode and a personal focus, work focus, and that kind of thing. But you can add your new one and create like a specific one inside of these settings by, of course, navigating to the focus section. And if you don't like any of these which are like ready for you, tap on the plus button in at the top right, and you can pick from couple of other ones which are also like prepared for you. But even if you don't like those, you can click on a custom and name it however you want. You can give it the color and icon which you decide, right? So you have some customization there. You can name it, for example, language learning or whatever else you want to specifically use it for. But once you set it up like this, it's going to be another focus mode which you can customize according to your needs. So you would again pick the people which are allowed to get in touch with you and call you, and which apps are allowed to deliver notifications and which are silent, so you kind of have to like manage it separately for that focus mode only, right? And all of the other options are in here as well, like the scheduling features, for example, based on a time or location, whatever. You have to set it up according to your needs. So that's how you can create a new one. Obviously, you can turn it on from the control center because it will then appear, in here in the toggles there. So you'll be able to enable it manually anytime you want. That is how you can do it. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and more videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.